we are. We're down by the river. I shot my baby. All right. Okay, speaking of down by the river and old Grandmaster Neil Young, this is the way we always tune up. We go with our A string, and we have the tone in our head, which is the first note of, hey, hey, my, rock and roll will never die. And it goes like this. The king is gone, but is not forgotten. This is the story of Johnny Rotten. It's better to burn out than to fade away. My, hey, hey. Okay, baby, we're out here, our fingers are frozen, and we already got 2 dead ones because of our hand injury. Please forgive me if I have sinned, but if you don't play, you don't win. All right, you guys be good to each other.